So the question is, how do you start to get more featured snippets for your website and to get more traffic from Google? And so sometimes it just kind of happens naturally, just because your site does a good job satisfying the intent of that particular search. But it's usually better if you have a strategy for it. And the strategy would look something like this. If you're writing a question, right, and you're going to answer a question on your website, like how many points is a DUI in Los Angeles, right? That might be the question that you're actually optimizing for. The answer, you should start the answer, with the question, right? So in Los Angeles, if you get a DUI, you would basically get 2 points. I don't know what the points are, right? But basically that's how you kind of optimize your content to get more of the feature snippets. And I would also make sure that you are addressing the question above the fold. Like, don't bury the answer way down where, and that was used to be an old trick, because you wanted to get somebody to read a full article and you kind of bury the answer. Nowadays, Google really likes to kind of put the answer right at the top, right? So that you're truly satisfying the intent of somebody that's doing a search very quickly. And then the other thing that you can start to do is like you can add like FAQ schema or some of the other schema markup that that Google and some of the other search engines will read to understand that this isn't a frequently asked question and it's in the format that the search engines like.